friends and family from Disney Springs. Today I'm going to be taking a trip over here to Disney Style because last time I was here a few weeks ago, like they seriously had so much unique Disney merchandise that I kind of haven't seen like anywhere else like in the parks and even over here at the World of Disney. So I wanted to come back and kind of check out and see what new they have over there. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. Also, how's this for perfect timing right here? The balloon is actually just about to go up in the air. It is just like puffy clouds today and just absolutely beautiful. Like, look at the balloon though, like that seriously would just be so much fun to do. Disney Springs officially opened maybe a half hour or 45 minutes ago, give or take a little bit, but the crowd levels so far are actually relatively low, which is really cool to see. Like I said, I'm just excited to head over to Disney Style over here and see what's new. But also in the description box of this video, I'll put a link that from my last video we did here at Disney Springs over at the World of Disney. This way you can kind of compare the two stores and see what different type of merchandise that both of them have to offer. I don't know why, but seriously, like there's always something about going over this bridge and it excites me. Like, I don't know if it's just the fact because the pizza restaurant is right over here, or we get an amazing view up ahead of the balloon in the air. But actually, straight ahead is Disney Style. But just check out this amazing view today of the whole waterway, just in general. And the balloon that just went up not too long ago. So I just made my way here to Disney Style, but drop a comment down below, like if you've shopped here before, like what cool merchandise have you gotten here? Like, I like to do a little bit of window shopping before we actually head on into Disney Style, and this black and white Mickey Loungefly is definitely catching my eye. But right underneath that one, they have another Loungefly that we have seen before. But it's very unique because it has like Darth Vader, Minnie Mouse, Haunted Mansion, Disney snacks. Like, you kind of got a little bit of everything in that one. So as soon as you walk in, you actually have this sign right here. It says vacation mode, and I love it. But check out this right here. It's a big Disney Parks Dole Whip. Like, how amazing is that? But they have these ears right here. Again, like, I haven't seen these before. Like, I'm sure they're in a park or whatnot, but I personally haven't seen them. Then they have these really nifty like sundresses right here with the unicorn. These are $59.99 a piece. It also comes with like a boat rope almost. That's pretty nifty. I'm gonna head back to the back section first. I think they have this shirt right here. It says Daisy and Donald Duck. This one here is $36.99. Then they have this one right here of Mickey and all these colors. This one is actually, feels like a corduroy material. And again, like, I've never seen this before. That one there is $36.99. Then they also have a denim skirt. One patch right here has Mickey and Minnie. Then there's another one right here. It says Mickey, Mickey, Mickey. These ones are $39.99. But how about this jacket again with the Mickey, Mickey, Mickey? I just like saying that actually. This is $59.99. But check out the back of this. It has that big yellow Mickey right there. This is definitely giving off some major summer vibes, and this isn't like too heavy or anything. This is really nice. For $29.99 they have this Kermit the Frog hat. It says hi-ho right there, and on the back it actually says Walt Disney World, but I like how it has like the green stitching. And right above that, I've seen this over at the World of Disney before, but like, I love this t-shirt right here with all of like the main things over in the parks, like Cinderella Castle, the Tree of Life, and so on. This one here is $36.99. This spirit jersey is actually really nice. Like, I like this one. This is more like a pink one with a gold glitter right there that says Walt Disney World. Then they have a hat down here that's like stitched, and you have Walt holding Mickey's hand. This one here is $29.99, right in front of Cinderella Castle though. For $36.99 they have this ringer tee. The ringer is actually like a baby blue. It just says Mickey Mouse a bunch of times. I love the design of that though. But I want to check out this sweatshirt right here. This looks very like retro. It says Mickey and Pluto. It almost looks like Mickey's chasing Pluto right there. And check out the back of this. Like, how fun is this? Again, Mickey and Pluto, but they're right there by the palm trees. This one here is $54.99. They also have this romper right here. This one here says Make It Green with the fairy godmother, and that's $49.99. And they have this Coco hoodie right here that I never have seen before. It just says Remember Me a bunch of times, obviously with Coco on it. That's $54.99. But look at this one right here. Just keep swimming. So simple, but so fun. That's amazing for $36.99. Oh, I love this one, guys. Look at that. This is actually from Moana. Look at Maui right there with his hook. It says Love Ocean. This one here is $59.99. That's really neat though. They also have this new women's skirt right here, and check this out. It has a patch that says they can't order me to stop dreaming. That's so true. Like, I love that. That one there is $49.99. And they have this one over here. Like, you have the fork right there. You have the genie's lamp on it. And down there you have the enchanted rose. These ears here are like the rose gold ones. These are really cool. What does this one here say though? Ready to stand, sick of swimming. Oh, that's cool. $36.99 for that one. They have this women's denim jacket right here. It actually says Love Your Life on the back. But I also do want to show the front of this denim jacket, because you have two more patches right there and then right over here. But right behind us over here in this section, they have like a bunch of pop sockets. Like this one here, they have Stitch. This one is $16.99. This pop socket is actually a phone wallet, it says, from It's a Small World. So you get the wallet and the pop socket itself. These ones here are $29.99. Then they do have a really nifty one. Like, look at this one. It's almost like an iridescent Mickey. And these ones here are $21.99. Okay, check out this shirt right here. This one definitely takes the cake, no pun intended. Look at that. It says Cheat Day, and it's literally like a slice of cake, like the Millennium Falcon. Like, how amazing is this? This one here is $36.99, but that one is definitely worth every penny. Then they have this one over here. This is featuring a bunch of the characters from Monsters University for $36.99. But they do have like a bunch of other ones over here, like this Orange Bird t-shirt. These ones here are $24.99. Well, check out this one here though. Again, like, these are extremely soft, and like the colors of these, I just feel like are absolutely incredible. Obviously just says Walt Disney World, but like the colors just in general are amazing. This one here says Florida Walt Disney World. These ones are $24.99 with a bunch of the different hats. Like, you have Sorcerer Mickey, you have a Goofy hat. This one here says It's My Birthday. And look at, they literally kind of just keep going down there. You have a holiday one, you even have a Pluto hat. I do also want to check out some of the pins they have here. And look at this one. You have one that says Salty with the Mickey pretzel, and then Sweet is over there with the Mickey ice cream sandwich. This pin set here is $17.99, but they have a couple other ones, again, that I haven't seen before. Look at this one. You have like a Mickey waffle, Mickey egg and bacon for $19.99. Oh, I gotta check this one out right here. Look at this. So you can spin it and it says Where to Next. Like, you have Tomorrowland in there and a couple other places with Mickey's hand. That's pretty nifty actually. Very, very creative for $12.99. They also have some offerings in here from the Walt Disney World 50th Vault Collection. Like this t-shirt right here, which is incredible. Like, it's the like a vintage Walt Disney World license plate. Like, you have to love this one. That one there is $36.99. And this one is definitely like faded on purpose. Like, Mickey is extremely faded on this one. When he says Walt Disney World right underneath, this one's $36.99. But on the sleeves, like look at these. You have some Walt Disney World signage, some pendants. Incredible. And I have never seen this button-down shirt before. So on the pocket it's stitched, it says Walt Disney World 71. You have all of the classic Disney characters. And again, this is part of the Vault collection as well. I just found this Jasmine wall art that they have right here. It feels like it's a canvas, but it has like a gold metal frame around it. These ones here, you can see where you can hang it, are $29.99. And they also have these hats here that I haven't seen before. I do want to get a closer look of these. That's pretty cool actually, look at that. Like these are very, very soft. And this is part of the Danielle Nicole Disney Parks collaboration. And these hats, I'm actually not seeing a price on these, believe it or not. They have this women's Walt Disney World shirt with the castle with all the different colors. That one there is $36.99. But I do over here want to show this Mickey tank top. Like look at him. Again, let me try to get you a better view right here of Mickey in all the different colors right there. He's wearing sunglasses and that one there is $36.99. But I'm again, just love the merchandise in here. Like aren't these jackets just so nice? You got the Disney symbol. These ones here are $69.99. And the back right there has the Disney symbol and it says Walt Disney World. But these are very, very very soft. They also have this new t-shirt right here. It says My Kind of Place with Cinderella Castle. Then Mickey's face right there, right in front of the castle. And they even have some grape soda ears right here from the movie Up. Check those out. That's actually like a metal piece right there that says grape soda. And adventure is out there. It most definitely is. It looks like this whole section over here is a bunch of crop tops. These actually have hoods on them. These are $49.99 a piece, but you have Mickey, you have Minnie Mouse. Over here in this section you have Stitch. And then you also have Simba right over here at the end. They also have the matching pants for all of these as well. And the pants are $49.99. But they got the matching pants for each of those. And check this really nifty 3/4 length sleeve shirt right here. This one's $44.99. It says oh boy a bunch of times, but I've never seen a Mickey shirt like that before. Okay, how fun is this t-shirt right here? We have Walt Disney World 1971. It says transportation ticket. Admit one adult, 12 and over. Look at the price right here, guys. $1.50. It says $1.44 plus 6 cents in tax. Like how crazy is that? Like this is so cool. Like I love this shirt right here. Okay guys, seriously, you see what I mean? Like they have so many t-shirts and Disney merchandise over here, like at Disney Style, where I haven't seen like anywhere before. Like me personally, not even like over there at the World of Disney, which is just mind-blowing to me. So definitely check out Disney Style. Also, if you like our channel and want to take it one step further, we just opened a Patreon page and we have 2 different tiers if you want to check that out. I'll let a link to our Patreon in the description box to this video. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.